Yes, welcome to Global Watch Media. People, wanna look here. Jamaica. Every time I talk on a believer Joe. Look on this. Blue crab. Mud crab in a New York. Right? At the baby one them here. Look on that one there. With the big claw. A dance. You see me? A whole bunch of them there on the beach. Look there. Them all over run up and down. A baby one them here, you know. You see me? So, if you don't want mud crab, you see them big claw there, and them a baby. Yeah man, because I know say all of people are run them down. You see you me not selfish, I'm going to share it to you. You see me? Yeah man, when you come, Coney Island, on the beach. You see me? Kaiser Park that is, at night. When you probably can catch a big mother one them. You see me? When you just come out. You see it? Yeah man, because I see people are crazy for mud crab and all kind of thing. So the baby one them here, and finding out the baby one, when you know so the mother one them they both. So when you can come out and check it out in the night. If you don't know a night you got a crab bush. Alright? Carry your torch. Alright? Well not torch. Carry your flashlight. You know what I say? And carry your bag and your equipment and come. Alright, blessed. Please like, share and subscribe. Our Global Watch Media. Blessed day.